How to fix iPhone camera and flashlight not working issue after update. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Open settings on your device and go to General. Tap on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. In General itself, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Go back and look for the VPN and device management option in General again. Tap on that and make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If your problem is still not fixed, restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together. Wait for a minute or two and restart your device again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.